First, place the cooked rice into a bowl and mash it lightly with spoon. Do not blend the rice. Blending destroys structure, and structure is what keeps the cake thick. Thank you so much for tuning in. In this channel, we share how to make easy recipe that actually work. Follow for more recipe. Add grated carrot, spring onions, salt, paprika, seasoning cube, egg, corn flour. Mix everything together and ensure the flavor is inside the cake, not just on the surface. Cornstarch replaces cheese here. It firms the cake without melting it. The mixture should feel firm and moldable. If it breaks when pressed, add just one more tablespoon of cornstarch. Shape the mixture into round thick cake. Thickness is decided in your hands, not in the pan. Heat pan on medium-low heat and add a little oil. Place the rice cake gently into the pan. Low heat allows the inside to cook before the outside brown. After 5 to 6 minutes, flip once only and cook the other side. Once done, let the rice cake rest for 1 minute before cutting it. The result is a rice cake that's thick from edge to center, firm and perfectly cooked, no cheese, no oven. If dis help you, follow for recipe dat actual work.